Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to paraphrase in Grammarly. So if you are working directly inside the main web editor dashboard, the process is built into your daily alerts. So go to your Grammarly dashboard and open up the document. Highlight the text which you wish to change. So let's make this one here, for example. Now look at the right hand sidebar menu and click here. Hover over first and you will see find here AI Rewriter, or you will see Paraphraser. Okay, so let's check both of them. So let's go with AI Rewriter, like so. You will see here section reviewed, all and so on. Now the second thing we have Paraphraser. Change writing style, so let's say professional. And as you can see here, something is going on right now. And yeah, instantly we'll change it. So as you can see here, clarify tool usage and improve. Okay, in Lightroom, use the calibration and color mixer section to enhance the color. So as you can see, he's basically changed something. So this with the green one is basically changed paraphraser. So yeah, if I accept that, it will take it right over here. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next